Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, I will tell you that how you can make AI generated content human generated content. So for example, I have a content here. So if I just go and check about its percentage of AI content in it, so it will show me most likely the AI content. So let me show you first. So here is a website named as content at scale.ai. Here you need to check your content AI percentage. So just go and paste the content here and click on check for AI content. Okay, now if you see, it's saying that 32% content is human generated. Okay, and it is most likely to be generated by AI. So whenever you will try to rank this content on Google, then Google bot will recognize that it is generated by AI, and those bots will try that your content will not rank on Google. Okay, so how we can overcome this problem? So to overcome this, we have something that will help us to make this content human generated content. So here I have some text that you need to write here first, and then your content will become human generated content. I'm not saying that it will convert 100% to human generated content, but it will be 70 to 80% human generated content, and that's okay. If you use that content on Google for a ranking purpose, then you can rank on Google easily. Okay, so here is some text. I will write this text in my description box. You can check that out and also paste it here. Now what it will do, it will make the content more likely to human generated content by making things little complex. So now copy this whole content and paste it here after these colons. Now it will rewrite the whole text. Wait for few seconds. Now copy this text and check it again. Come and paste it here. Now here you can see that your content is now 67% human generated content. Okay, now if you want to make more changes, like what you can do to make this content human generated content. So the first thing is you can use the symbols, and these are special symbols like and dollar symbol, at the rate symbol. You can these symbols to make this content more likely to human generated content. So here we are going to replace some of ants by the symbol ant. Okay, so let me do this first. Okay, now if you see here, we have 83% of human content score. So it's more likely to be human generated content. Now you can use this content in your blog post, in your website, and you can easily get a rank on Google. So this is how you can use ChatGPT to generate content and those texts to make your content human generated content. Okay, now listen, if you try this one time and it shows that it is 50% and 60%, then what you are going to do, then you need to regenerate the response and then try again here. Okay, so I hope this tutorial was helpful for you, and if you like this video, then make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tutorial and tips like this. Thank you for watching.